Welcome to Odooistic, your hub for everything Odoo development. Hello, where we simplify Odoo development for you. In today's video, we are diving into something exciting and rewarding, literally. What we are building today, we are creating an employee recognition and reward app in Odoo 18. This app is designed to help businesses manage and reward their employees for achievements, fostering motivation and a positive workplace culture. So, why this app? Let's talk about a problem. Recognizing and rewarding employee achievements is crucial for boosting morale, retaining talent, and encouraging productivity. But manual tracking can be time consuming and error prone. So, solution, this app provides an efficient way to track employee achievements with assigned points, categorize achievements with custom types, redeem rewards for accumulated points. What this app can do, core features will be achievements management, create and approve employee achievements, assign points to accomplishments. Then we can design reward systems, define rewards with specific point requirements, allow employees to redeem rewards based on their accumulated points. Number 3, validation and automation. Automatically calculate and validate points for rewards. Prevent over-redemption with built-in constraints. And number 4, we can define employee insights, maintain a history of achievements and rewards, foster transparency and accountability. Why this project is great for you, whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this project is packed with value. Here's why. Hands-on learning, you will practice building models, views, and workflows in Odoo. Real-world application, the app solves a practical problem for HR teams. Expandable, once built, you can enhance it further by adding features like notification, analytics, or integration with other apps, or also integration with other models as well within this app. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional employee recognition and rewards app that tracks achievements, manages rewards, enhances employee engagement. So grab your coffee, fire up Visual Studio Code, and let's start coding this amazing module. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Odoo development. Right. So as you can see on my screen, Visual Studio Code, and we can see we are using Odoo 18. If I go in settings, I can just show you the Odoo 18 Enterprise Edition I'm using. So I go in Visual Studio Code. As you can see in Odoo 18, I have got a custom folder and there is none inside it. So what we do, we just first of all create a folder with the name, we call it employee recognition. Okay. Then in this folder, as usual, we create two files. First, we create init.py, and in this one we import models, and then we add another file in it which is called manifest file, which has got this code in it. So the manifest file is the entry point of the module containing metadata that Odoo uses to identify and load the module. Here's what each key does. So the first of all, we talk about name and version, the name and version of the module, which is employee recognition and rewards. Then summary and description, provide a concise and detailed overview of the module's functionality. And we have written it, track and reward employee achievements. Then after that, category categorizes the module for better organization, which is here. Human resource, We have got the description, which is a detailed um, overview of the module's functionality. Then we are talking about version. So here it's 18.0.1.0.0. You can just put whatever you like. Category, human resources. We have also added here for the license, which is LGPL, author Odooistic. Website is this. In depends, we will be adding base and HR as well, because we will be touching employee module as well. And then in data, these are the files which we will be creating. First of all, security. So first, let me create a new folder here, security. And in security, the file will be this file I will be putting. I will explain it later. And then in manifest file, in views, so we will be creating a new folder which is views. And then the first file will be actions.xml, achievement views, achievement type, reward views, and menus. So let's start with models. Let me create a new folder, models. And in models, as usual, we are having init. First of all, we are having an init file, which let me paste this here. So we have got this init file, and in this file, we will be creating two files. First file will be achievement.py. So let's create it. Let's copy from here, new file. Okay, and in this file, the code I will be pasting is this one. Right. Right. So here, as you can see, from Odoo import, we are importing models, fields, API. And then from Odoo.exceptions, we are also importing validation errors, because we will be using validation errors as well. So here, name stores the name of the achievement, the first field. String, we have given achievement name, and required is equal to true. Then employee ID. So this is linking the achievement to an employee. That's why this is a many-to-one field. String is employee. It is a required field. And then type ID. It specifies the type of achievement linked to another model, achievement.type. So which I will show you how we are creating. So basically, we will create a new model for achievement.type, where we will be giving different achievements as well. And we will also be creating some menus as well. Then there is another field, which is points, the number of points awarded for the achievement, which is integer field. And then the state. This is this field tracks whether the achievement is in a draft or approved state. So there will be two states, selection field, draft and approved. Default will be draft. So what it means, all the time, first time when we will click new record, it will be on draft state, but we can change it. And then the date awarded, we can also have another when we have awarded this. Then there are constraints. So these constraints will be depending on points. So we will be checking that if the points will be less than 0, if we will enter less than 0 or more than 100, then there will be validation error. The points must be between 0 and 100. This is for making a very clear approach and very prone or error-free approach. So that's why we are using these constraints. Then we are using this approve achievement, and we are saying we are having a loop here, And if state is approved, so we can say this achievement is already approved. So this is for that error, and then reset to draft. For it is every time it will be resetting to draft. Okay. Okay. So we are creating a new, sorry. So here on the same file, what we can do, we can create a new model as well, rather than creating into a new file, which is achievement types. And here we only are defining two fields, name and description. That's it. No other fields, just very small model. So here we will be creating achievement types. Right, guys? So now it's time to create a new model, which is called rewards. Let me just copy that. So this is another file, reward.py. The reward.py file defines the model to manage employee rewards. The name of class is employee reward. Name is employee.reward. Description employee reward. The first field is name. This is a character field. The name of the reward. Then required points is just the integer fields where we are just allotting the points. Then employee underscore ID, it links the reward to an employee. As you can see, this is a many-to-one field having relation with hr.employee. Employee string for this field required, it's always required. And here, this is for the default function I have written. Then state, this is, there are pending and redeemed. There are two states I have given, where string is state, and this is default pending. It's also a required field. Date redeemed, we have also given a date field where it's a date field. Right, guys? Okay, so this method, which is redeem reward method, handles the reward redemption process for employees. It ensures the employee has enough points, deducts the required points, updates the reward state, and provides feedback via notification. So here, it's a loop through rewards. We are just looping. Iterates over each reward record in the current environment, allowing multiple rewards to be redeemed if applicable. Then total points, this line number 36, is basically fetches all achievements related to the employee, achievement underscore IDs, field from the expanded HR employee model, and then filter approved achievements. Filters achievements to include only those with a state of approved, as you can see here. And then calculate total points. Sums the points field of the filtered achievements. So here, only the state is equal to approved. It's making a sum of employee underscore ID dot achievement underscore ID dot filtered, and only with the state is equal to approved. And then if total points is less than reward dot required points, then it's raising this validation error. And then otherwise remaining points is equal to total points minus reward dot required points. So in here, validating points in this one, if total points is less than reward dot required points, it's actually checking sufficiency, compares total points with the required points for the reward, and then raise error if sufficient, logs a warning and raises a validation error. Then remaining points is equal to total points minus reward or required points, calculates the remaining points after redemption, logs the remaining points. And then here it's changing the state, updates the reward states to redeemed, sets the date redeemed to today's date. And then success notification is here, return. It will just log a message, displays a message success notification on the user screen, includes details such as the reward name and the remaining points after redemption. This is it. And here, achievement IDs, we have added a field in HR employee because we are using it, achievement IDs here in this method. Okay, now we are creating the view files, and this is a first view file which is achievement_views. As you can see, our list view. This view displays a tabular summary of all employee.achievement records in the list view, and a record defines a tree view with a unique ID. This is a unique ID, then the name, and then contains the XML definition of the list structure, which is here. And then in the list view, we have got this name, employee ID, type ID, points, and state, shows the status draft or approved. Purposes provides a compact high-level overview of all the achievements, allows quick identification and filtering of records. And then the form view. This view allows users to create, view, and edit individual employee.achievement records. So the first record defines the unique ID of this form, then the model, which is employee.achievement, and then it contains all these in a form. We are starting a sheet, and then in first group we have got name, employee ID, drop down to select the associated employee, type IDs, drop down to choose the type of achievement, and then points, input the points awarded state, drop down to show the current status. And then in footer we are having a button for additional actions. Name of this approve achievements. Basically, if you see in achievement, we have got this approve achievement. So for record in self, if I've approved, this is the function. This is for this button, approve achievement. It will be hidden if already state will be approved, then this button will be hidden. Highlights the button to indicate importance, and dynamically hides if the achievement is already approved. Purpose provides a detailed view for managing individual achievements, allows users to create a new achievement, edit existing achievements, and approve achievements using this button. So now it's time to add another view file, which is this one. Achievement type. As you know that in achievement we have added this model. So this is for that. So this is just a small list view where we are having name and description. In form view, we are again having name and description, and this is the action for that achievement types. So this action we will be using in a menu, action, achievement type, and achievement types. We are having a small menu in the same app, which I will show you once we will test this app. So this is for this, and now we are having reward views. Right. So in here in reward views, we have added the first list view, and this is the ID for list view. Then the model specifies the model for which the view is being created, employee.reward. and then field name is equal to arc, type is XML, contains the XML definition of the list view. List specifies the fields displayed in the list view. First is name, then required points, and then employee ID. Then the second is form view. This is the ID for the form view. And then the model. And in form, we have created a sheet. And then first group, we have shown the name, required points, and employee ID. And then in next group, we have got a button for redeem. And for redeem, we are using this method, which is on reward.py, this one. Redeem reward. So once we press that button, we have our action will be triggered. It's called redeem button. Allows user to redeem the reward. Basically, that button calls the redeem reward method defined in the employee.reward model. Provides a detailed view of managing individual rewards, this form view basically, and enable users to create new rewards, edit existing rewards, redeem rewards directly from the form. Okay, guys. And now it's time to add the actions. So these are one action, as you can see in achievement underscore type. So already we have got one action there, but for two other menu actions we have defined in this file. The first is for action employee achievement and second is action employee reward. One is for employee achievement model and one is for employee.reward model. And both will open list first and then form, list first and then form. And then the last but not the least is menus. So in this menu, so first menu item will be menu employee recognition. This is the ID of this menu. Name of this menu will be employee recognition. So basically this will be a icon on the dashboard of Odoo when it will be installed. So we will see a app icon there. Sequence, we can just give small sequence because we want it first, and then this is the icon which I have set, and the icon I have placed it in we will place it in static folder, then description, then icon.png. So we do it now. We create a new folder which we call static, and in this folder we add this folder. We will add description folder, and then in description we can see icon.png, which is this icon. So now we go again there. So this is our first app. What it will do nothing, just one app sitting there on the dashboard. Then the second menu, ACH custom, it's achievements. And now this will link the first one. So when we will click the first main base app, then it will open this action, which is action underscore employee underscore achievement. So it will take us to the list view of achievement model, which we have got this action, which is this one here. And then there will be another menu in the parent employee recognition here, which will be rewards. So when we will click on first employee recognition app icon, we will see three menus there. One will be achievements, one will be rewards, and third will be achievement types. Achievement types will link us to this action, which will open just the list view and form view of the achievement types. Then achievements menu will take us to the employee this action, which will be action employee achievement, which is here. And it will open employee.achievement list view and then form view. And then last one, rewards app, will actually take us to this action, which is action underscore employee underscore reward, which is here. And it will take us to employee.reward. Right. So I believe we have got all our files now. We have got 5 files here, and everything has been referenced here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 files. Then we have got security file as well. Okay, let's explain to you about this one. Just give me 1 second. So this is a security file, ensures that only authorized users can access or modify the records. Here's what it contains. So field ID, a unique identifier for the access record. Then the name describes the access rule. Then model underscore ID specifies the model, employee.achievement in this case, or you can see employee.achievement, the next line here. Group underscore ID defines which user group has access. And then permissions, perm read, permission write, perm create, and perm unlink. So basically 0 is for nothing, no permission, and 1 is for full permission. And here we have given permission for all our 3 models which we have created. Our one model is employee.achievement, second is employee.reward, and third is achievement.type. For all these, we have given this, the first one ID, then the name, then the model underscore ID, and then the group underscore ID, and then prem read, prem write, prem create, and then unlink one. So this is how we can say. So now this is the time to update our apps, go in our front view of Odoo and start installing this module. So let's do this. Okay, so as you can see, Odoo 18 here. If we go in settings and let's go in apps, and we need to make sure that we have activated our developer mode, and then we can click update apps list. So once we do that, we can just copy and paste our module name which we want to search. So in our case, this is the name of our module which we can copy, paste it here. So once we do that, we can see our module here, which is employee recognition and rewards. And if we see module info, we can see human resources, which is the category of our module. Technical name, employee recognition, which is the name of our module. This is the license. This is the version, as you can see, and this is the technical data. Technical data and depends, as you can see, base and HR we have provided. We have given demo data application. Yes, we said yes, we want this application is equal to true. If you see in manifest file, we have provided, and now we can activate this. So once we do that, we can see one beautiful icon here, employee recognition, and our app is ready to use. So if we can click here, we can see it is taking to employees recognition, and it is taking us to the first one, which is achievements. So one app is here, achievements. One menu is here, achievements. One menu is rewards, and one is achievement types. So for what we can do first, we can create achievement types here. So the first we say bronze. and we can create second silver. And we can give second. And the third one we say gold. Right. So we have created I like 4. So we have got bronze, silver, gold, platinum. First level of achievements, sorry. Then the second level, as you can see, we can edit that as well to improve. Right. So now if we go in achievement types, we have already saved our bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Now we say that our employee, who is Abigail Peterson. So we say Abby's achievement, and employee is Abigail Peterson, which is linking to our HR employee module. We say achievement type, which achievement she has got. We say silver, and she has achieved 60 points for that, and state is draft. We can save it. So at the moment this is draft, but once we can approve it, this will be eligible for the redeeming thing. So we approve this, it's been done. Now what we can do, we want to give reward to this Abigail Peterson. We go in rewards and we create a new record. We say Abby's reward, and we want to give a gift voucher, which is for 30 points. So we will use 30 points and we will give 30 points reward for gift card. And employee is Abigail. So once we will click on redeem, we will see a message here, reward, Abby's reward for gift card has been successfully redeemed. Remaining points after redemption 30. This is beautiful, guys. So we have given 60 points to Abby, and then from that 60, now 30 has been used and 30 remaining. But one more thing, improvement you can do now, that if we go in achievements, if we click, still it is 60. So you can do something on improve this logic to deduct that 30 from here, because it is already 60, but still it is 60. If we refresh it, it is 60. I have not written any logic or any method, but you can do that. So if you go in, already Abby has got 30, and so this is otherwise if I was doing lots of other improvements which I'm talking to you about, that this video will be a very, very prolonged one. So my message and my output is just to give you a platform, not just platform, but more than that. I am providing you not just a platform, I am providing you much more than that. A lot and lots of logic as well. And then lots of different ideas as well, lots of different base platforms from which you can just kick on, just add whatever you like. You have got 3 models at the moment. You can add lots and lots more constraints, more method, more logic, more and more things you can just add in this model. So guys, this is it. I hope you just like this video. If you like it, please share it, subscribe it, share the word with your friends. And if you like any questions, you can just always ask any questions in the comments, and I will just love to answer that. Thank you so much for your presence, and see you all with another topic. Take care. Ta-ta.